Hello everyone, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. So guys, this is the time of evening and in this video, this is like a vlog video because I just came to my field, you can just see, and to visit, but I suddenly thought I should make a video. So you will think that if you suddenly thought that you should make a video, then from where you brought your mic. But don't worry guys, this my house is so near, you can just see. This is not my house, my house is so near. So again I just ran to my home and I picked up my mic and tripod and everything, and again I came to my field to shoot the video. So this is the time of evening, you can just see everything. We have planted many things, you can just see beans and lady finger and many more things, you can just see. I have shown you already that we have planted old jimikand. Many people say other words, and so guys, randomly I am here and I don't know what should I speak, but there is a one thing in my mind that I shouldn't stop and I shouldn't keep silent. So I just speak, because who speaks, he can become fluent fast. This is the reality. And so guys, many times I tell you that please suggest me the topics, on which topics I should make the video. So please suggest me, and this will be helpful for me. In a starting time I used to speak 4-5 minutes daily, and gradually it increased. I don't say that I used to speak only 5 minutes daily, but in a starting time I used to speak 5 minutes daily, but slowly it increased, and later I started speaking like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and how much time I could give, I used to give it. So this is not a fixed timing, but if you will start speaking, then you will fall in love. You can just see one mosquito is on my head. I will kill. I killed. No, I didn't kill. So guys, this is a time of evening and everywhere mosquitoes are biting me. You can just see. I will show you. Wait. This is my hand and you can just see. Everywhere. Only mosquitoes are everywhere and they are biting and they are just irritating me a lot. And guys, yes, I was just speaking about a series where I will practice for 1 minute daily, and gradually I will increase this time, and you can just be the part of this journey, and you can just practice with me. This will be so helpful for you. And guys, you know, if you will practice 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, and later you will be in the habit of speaking, so it will be so beneficial for you. And one more thing I also thought that and please suggest me this is right or not, but I just thought that I will start a series of tens. That will be short timing. I will not give you lectures for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I will tell you the truth. I will teach you the exact thing. I will not tell you that random things. I will not just focus on any other things. I will just focus on the special things, the work, the sentences, the structure, and only intense. Okay, so just comment that you want the series or not. So please comment yes, we want the tense series. So just comment tense, I will understand that you want the tense series. So I hope you will help me for this. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.